Okay, language explorer. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. Attempt. Attempt. To try to do something. Even though you think you might not be able to. But I will attempt to run 6 miles at the gym. I'm attempting to master Spanish. And I know I can. I might attempt to learn Arabic. Yeah, or Russian. Yeah, depends. Depends. Yeah, but I might attempt. Give it a try. To give something. To give something a try. Yeah. How cool is that? So like this person here, he attempts to do a pole vault. Like in the sports, in the Olympics, a pole vault. Yeah. How cool is that? So I attempt to talk. I attempted to talk with her. She attempted to listen to me. See, I tried to talk to her and she tried to listen to me. Did it work? Well, different story that is. Yeah. Her attempts are admirable. What she attempted to do was very noble and amazing. Amazing. Cool thing. Wow. How cool is that? So that means I attempt, you attempt, they attempt. Yeah. I attempt to record a certain amount of lessons every day. You attempt to do your tasks all the time. They attempt to learn English. They attempt, yeah. And then we have it attempts, he attempts, and she attempts. Yeah, so it attempts to work. It attempts to fall over, but it's not actually falling over. It attempts to grow. Yeah, the plant is attempting. Plant is attempting to grow. Yeah, grow. Yeah. He attempts the impossible. He attempts the impossible. But he's going to try. But he will try anyway. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. She attempts to make contact. Hello? Attempts to make contact. What is that? Okay, right. How cool is that, language explorers? So yes, I attempt, you attempt, they attempt. It attempts, he attempts, she attempts. Yeah. I always attempted to ring you. He is attempting to climb the mountain fast. Do you think they will attempt to contact you? They might attempt a delivery now. Yeah, maybe. Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe. Depends. Yeah. So I can attempt to do a lot of things. It just depends on my abilities. Yeah. But will they make attempt? Will they? Maybe not. They might not attempt to deliver it now. Oops. Deliver it now. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. All right then. Okay. How cool is that? So yes, how cool is that, language explorers? Yes, so attempt. to try to do something, even though you think you might not be able to. So it attempts, he attempts, she attempts, I attempt, you attempt, they attempt. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you write attempt in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more content to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram if you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.